Today, you will master your bias and learn how to day trade through and towards your bias with market structure. Of course, we will use our best momentum scalping strategy with our best trading view indicator. No more empty talk, let's start now. What a crazy day. Isn't it? President Trump one more time, coins started this crazy rally. And Elon Musk, big supporter of Trump, Bitcoin gained really good momentum and broke another record. Trump is a company man. I'm sure that stock markets will be affected well with this movement. Gold is lagging at the moment. I expect the money pour into the cryptocurrencies and the stock markets in 2025 with Trump and the interest rate cuts. Very strong day as you can see. If you follow my Twitter or previous videos, I always said I was bull in cryptocurrencies. 2025 will be another bull year for me. Okay, I want to talk about this LPO coin, one of the top gainers today. As usual, we will be using our best indicator called ICT high time frame candles, our best companion to find out the best entry areas. This coin had an interesting price action and it is really educational. I want to observe it very closely. What I noticed about this coin was this crazy previous week high line. Look what happens right here. Price comes this close, almost a couple of ticks, and then heavily crashes. This was such an interesting price action. Price crashes back to around this triple imbalance point and hangs a bit. Later on, the secondary rally starts and finishes what it started, hunting the previous week high. Now, I have seen this price action hundreds or maybe thousands of times repeat itself. It is not gonna work every single time. It is impossible. But it is highly accurate. And trading is all about finding patterns and high accuracy repeating movements. Now, this 1 minute time frame is really educational. I want to talk about many things here. First of all, notice again. Price is really close to previous week high and strongly crashes right from that price level. Where does it crash to? Yes, our classic masterclass momentum layout, which is the mid-time frame imbalance areas. This is the area where we seek the entries. Right here, as you can see, a clear market structure breaks with an imbalance. This would be a perfect 2-hour setup for us, very logical in an out trade with a clear bias. However, life is not perfect. Let's be honest, myself and most traders would cut this trade right here at the break-even. And nothing is wrong with break-evens. Today's lesson is do not be afraid of break-evens. Trading is actually the easiest job in the world to lose the money. Yes, losing money in trading business is very easy. Remember, once you do a break-even, you keep your account intact and secure. At least you will sleep better. And you can look for the next trade chance. There will be always another chance. Do not forget this. Okay, folks, this is it for the day. Please take care and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.